Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to install SQLite database in Visual Studio 2022 version. So first open Visual Studio and first create a project. So click on create a new project. Click here and select the language. So keep the language C# and browse here. And there are two type of project, Windows Form app and Windows Form app .NET framework. So select this and click on next button and give the project name here and select the .NET framework. So I am choosing 4.8 and click on create. Now solution is building. So first go to the project, click on here and click on manage NuGet project package and search here, click on browse and search here SQLite and here is the result and select the step.system.data.sqlite.core.net. Select this and click on install. Click here install and click on apply. Now our SQLite database installed successfully. Now click on reference. So our SQLite database reference is added successfully. Now go to the design and click here. Now you can add the dependency here using system dot data dot SQLite. So thank you for watching this video.